So in this video, we want to take a closer look at the pricing and cost of Webador. And at the end of the video, I will also show you how you get an extra 50% off of your monthly price. But before we start, you can click on the link down here in the description. This will directly bring you to the homepage of Webador. It will look something like this. And here you can sign up for free, because you can also create a website for free with Webador. I have an extra video for that. I will link this for you down in the description. And at some point you come to the pricing of Webador, and they have 4 different plans. They have the free plan, they have the Lite plan, the Pro plan, and the business plan. And it's quite simple to explain actually, because with the free plan, you get the basics. So you get free hosting, you can have unlimited pages, you can upload any kind of pictures you want. You have unlimited storage, you have all the different responsive templates of Webador, and you can also use free stock photos, and you get a secure SSL certificate. So that's quite cool that you get all this for free already. But once you want to connect your own domain, you need the Lite plan. And the Lite plan is for free for the first 6 months. So is the Pro plan and the business plan. So they already give you 50% off. If you choose to buy the yearly plan, you get the first 6 months for free with any plan. And down here, you see now the euro prices, but I guess the dollar prices are about the same. So this is what it will cost after 6 months. It's $450 or $850 for the Pro plan, or 17 euros for the business plan. And again, roughly the same in dollar, maybe $5, $10, and $20. And let's compare. So basically with the Lite plan, you get the free domain, and you can connect your own domain and make your website looking professional. This is the best advantage compared to the free plan. But why choose the Pro plan? You get also a free domain, and you get a mailbox for free. So the mailbox meaning you have your own email domain. So for example, mine is here from julianweber.com, and I have contact@julianweber.com. So you can choose your own custom domain with the Pro plan. But with the Pro plan, you already get online store options. So you can upload up to 10 different products. No digital products, but you do get a 10 product store. So you can upload 10 of your own products, which is pretty cool. And to be honest, which is pretty cheap. I haven't seen many website builders which allow you selling your own products for less than $10. So that's quite cheap, to be honest. Like, I haven't expected that before doing this video. And you all get extra functions here. So you get the blog functionality. You can upload your own favicon, which is the icon up here. You can have unlimited photo albums. You can have Google Analytics, Google Business Profile, and so on. So you get pretty much the same as in the business plan. So there's not much difference, but here you get an XL mailbox. So you simply have more storage. Instead of 1 GB with a basic mailbox, you get 10 GB, which is an extra large mailbox in their opinion. And you can have unlimited products in your store. So I think that's the main difference, that you can upload unlimited products to your store compared to the Pro plan. And the main difference between the Lite and the Pro plan is that you don't get a mailbox with the Lite plan, and you don't get an online store functionality with the Lite plan. So I actually like their pricing. It's very simple and very straightforward. And with the free plan, you simply don't get a domain. You get a dummy domain, which is blah, 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 webadorwebsite.com. And you can use this, but it still looks kind of shady, and it's not your own website domain. But anyhow, you can start for free. You can just click start now, and then you can start creating your website, your online store, or your blog, and choose to opt in for free for now. But as I promised you at the beginning, you also get a 50% off, and you get that by waiting a little bit. For me, it was like roughly 6 hours, and then they sent me this email, and it says 50% discount. And sorry, it's in German here because my browser is in German. But now I can just click the button on 50%, and it will take me to the pricing page inside Webador. And here I can choose from all the plans we've just seen. And for example, if I choose this one, then of course I don't get an extra 50% off on the 6-month deal, because I already get the first 6 months for free, which is 50% if you just pay half of the year. But if I opt in for monthly, I already get €5.25. So this is half the price, which is quite nice that they send out this offer at the end. So yeah, these are the prices you get with Webador. To be honest, I haven't seen much website builders who give you for less than $10 a web shop. Again, I'm very surprised. But to be clear, Webador is a very basic website builder. There are definitely more complex ones for shops like Shopify or for website like Wix. I will also link them down in the description for you. I'm actually a big fan of Wix because I used it for my own website. Here with Wix, you can also sign up for free and test everything out. But Webador is good for beginners, a very basic, very straightforward website builder. And you can also start for free. And I will show you this in the next video, how you can actually start for free.